Several coaches of the Shalimar-Chennai Coromandel Express 12841 derailed at Bahanaga station in Odisha's Balasore district. The derailment occurred after a collision with a goods train. Though the railways are yet to comment on the accident, many passengers are feared to be trapped. The Special Relief Commissioner of Odisha has directed the Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force at Balasore to rush to the spot for search and rescue immediately. The Balasore collector has also been directed to reach the spot and make all necessary arrangements. The Odisha government has also issued an emergency contact number 06782 262286. Additional fire service teams, doctors and ambulances are also being rushed from nearby districts.
सीरियस भाई। हाँ, ये दारा तो लुको नाम से काढ़ी देई जंती पब्लिक है ला।